at Collegetown Plaza at the south end of the hallway on the 9th floor, which is the top floor of the building. We're going to see apartment 9G. Let's go on in. This is a fantastic apartment. We're on the top floor of this building and we'll enter, and you can see right here, this door ahead of us is the bathroom. We'll come along to that in a minute, but let's go through and see the kitchen and living room first. First, you can see right on the right-hand side is a large refrigerator. So that is a huge refrigerator here in the apartment, as well as another refrigerator over here. So you have plenty of refrigerator space here, and you can see here's our kitchen. It's a compact kitchen layout, but you have those two refrigerators. You can see the microwave, the sink, the dishwasher, cabinets, drawers, and the stove and oven over here. Let's go on through and we'll see the half bathroom next. So this apartment has 3 bathrooms that are full size and also a half bathroom. A half bathroom has a toilet and a sink, just like this. So that's handy for guests and visitors. Let's take a look at the living room space over here. I like this because it's so bright. We have these 2 windows over here, and let's take a look at the furnishings that come with the apartments. So we'll have a dining table. You can see the seating areas and a couple other small tables. The TV does come with the nice overhead light. There's an air conditioner. This is a room air conditioner for the living room only. And we'll go over and take a look out the windows. So one thing on this top floor, we're going to have these beautiful views. So first we have this south view over here. So that's really pretty. The valley view's over this way. But we have this spectacular view over here. So this is downtown Ithaca over here and West Hill. And then look at that over there. That is a stunning view of Cayuga Lake. I'm going to zoom in so you can see a little better. And that is a beautiful lake view. You have this stunning lake view from rooms 1, 2, and 3. You can see a little tiny bit from room 4, and room 5 does face to the south, so that other direction. Let's take a look at the other features in this apartment. We've got a special feature in these G apartments. These apartments were renovated and they have all had a washer and dryer added. So this is inside the apartment in your unit. For the G apartments, you also have access to the laundry on the 5th floor in the building, but the G apartments will have that washer and dryer. Let's take a look through. We'll see the main bathroom, the first bathroom, the other bathroom, the bedrooms. Okay, so let's go on this side. We're going to see the bathroom over here. This is bathroom 1, and so this is a regular bathroom. You have that nice big mirror, the toilet, the vanity, and the full-size tub shower over here. Let's look at the rooms. So we'll start at the end with room 1. As we go in, we'll see the furnishings will be very similar in the rooms. Everybody will always have a bookshelf, a dresser, a full-size bed, and most of the rooms have a closet. One room has a wardrobe. We'll see that as we go through. And you can see the desk over here. So let's go through real quick and see that view for a second. There's that lake view over there from room 1. And so you can see we have a nice amount of space in here, good storage here in the room. We've got that closet over here. All of the bedroom doors will have a deadbolt lock that work with a key. Let's go into the next bedroom. We're going into bedroom 2. This is across from that bathroom we were just in. And room 2, again, same furnishings. We'll go on in over to the window. And there's a lake still there. And the closet in this one is over here behind the door. Let's go into the next bathroom next. This is across from the entrance. So there's where we came in, that door. And here is this bathroom over here. This one has a standing shower and that beautiful big mirror again that's lighted, and the vanity, the toilet, and also let's see if we can spin around. You can see that tall cabinet there that opens up and has storage for toiletries here within the apartment. We've got a special room in here. Let's go and see room 3. Room 3. Okay, so we've got a couple differences in here. First, we have a study table instead of a desk, and this is the room that has the wardrobe instead of the closet, so you can still have storage space and hanging space, but it's a freestanding wardrobe. You can put things on top, which is kind of handy. But the main reason that this room is special is because you have your own ensuite bathroom. See there, there's the view. The ensuite bathroom here, your own bathroom, it's in your room. And this is beautiful, private bathroom. And we have that large mirror, the vanity, the toilet, another full-size standing shower. And this one has the frosted windows to give you privacy, but still nice natural light, especially in the daytime. So that is room 3, the one with the ensuite bathroom. We have 2 more rooms to see. Let's go across the living space. We're going to go into room 4. Okay, room 4 has 2 windows. Look at this, it is so bright and airy in this room. There are lots of ways to arrange the furniture. You might want to look at some of the other videos because I know we have the bed set up in different ways in some of them. You barely can get a piece of the lake kind of if you look through the window there, but this is primarily the west facing view and then the south view over here. So beautiful views up on the 9th floor. We're very high up, and closet over here behind the door. And I like how they have the bed tucked in over this way. You can stick it somewhere else and rearrange the furniture however you like within the rooms. One more room. Let's go into room 5. This is right next to the washer and dryer. So here's room 5. Let's go on in here. This one will have a south view. You can see over here, Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road. We're in central Collegetown. Here's the closet. This is a 9-floor elevator building. You can see the video that talks about the building overview and where the fitness room and laundry room and things like that are within the building. We're about half a block from the main intersection of our Collegetown neighborhood, and that is College Ave and Dryden Road. And from there, we're 1 block to campus. So Collegetown Plaza, we're in apartment 9G. This is a renovated apartment with 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, one of those being en suite, with a gorgeous lake view from most of the rooms here at Collegetown Plaza, 111 Dryden Road, apartment 9G.